Here we are going to import our data from OData feed, right? OData feed is a REST-based protocol for querying and updating data and is built on standard technologies like HTTPS, XML, and JSON. So if I just go on my browser, right, opening the new tab, if I enter here OData, here there is the first link for OData, odata.org, right? Here you can just go through the document and learn about OData in detail. Basically, it is different from other REST-based services as it provides uniform way to describe both the data and the data model. It basically allows you the creation and consumption of queryable and inoperable APIs in simple and standard way, right? So let's go back to our Power BI desktop and let's see how we can import data from OData. So here, click on this get data icon under the home tab. From these options, you can search for OData. This is the option OData feed. Select this and click on connect button. Here it will ask you the link. Just enter the link from where you want to import the data from OData, right? Here I am just entering this link http services.odata.org, right? Then I have Northwind, and under this I have Northwind dot svc, and there is a slash. So this is my link from which I am just importing the data. Here you have to enter the data that from which you want to import the data, right? Now click on OK button. This navigator window comes up with the list of tables that we have under this URL, right? So just select the tables you want to import. Let's say I am just connecting these tables, right? I have selected these tables here. Now, if you just want to just transform this data, go to the transform data button. Otherwise, I am just loading it to get it loaded, right? I am clicking on load button. So it's loading like it is loading from any other file or any other database, correct? Once this data gets loaded, data will be available to create our reports. So here we have all Power BI has loaded all the tables we have loaded here. So we can use these queries and their fields to populate our charts and create the reports.